Assalamualaikum. My name is Roldan Katamura. Every station will receive a box of Easy Machine Kit, either Mali and Bose Easy Machine Kit. Now we will show you for the Bosch Easy Machine Kit what is inside. First, this is the filter of the machine. Inside of the box, there is also the Google UV daylight. There is some high pressure hose, low pressure hose, and the high pressure coupler and the low pressure coupler. Also, the vacuum pump ring. Now we will show you how to change the coupler and the low pressure and high pressure hose. First, open the machine. Go to recovery. And enter OK. Wait for the machine to finish the recovery. After recovery, you see the pressure is going down. Now you can open the coupler. Use the number 16 open range and vice grip or either. If you have also number 16, you can open also. Now fix it the new one. Don't forget this O-ring. I will show you how to change the hose of low pressure and high pressure. First, the same, turn on the machine and make it recover. Wait for the gauge to go down. After you see that the gauge is going down, then you remove the hose by using this number 16 open range. And now we change the high pressure hose. Make sure that the O-ring is here. This one. And also in the other side. So teach you how to detect the easy leak. We use the Google UV light and also the light of UV. Now first you fill this UV dye bottle by this oil. Okay? Now how to put the UV dye in the AC system of the car? First go to auto. Here, put some capacity, 400, additional oil, no, 5, no, up here, go to yes and check.